Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some more Beeswarm Simulator on the, not on the test server, this is the real game now. So, first thing I want to show you is that I glitched into that area. I actually got some coconut pollen. 1,404. If you just do that, I got none. Because my boots actually give me movement collection. I can't really use my dipper to get any, but I can use my boots. So I'll keep trying more and more. I'll try one last time. Okay, it didn't work. But anyways, let's go over to the Gummy Bee. The Gummy Bee claim place where you mould all your gumdrops into a Gummy Bee if you have enough. Because it says only Goo Hotshots can hear Gummy Bee. What does it look like we have here? Goo Batch Cadet is finished and done. The Gummy Bee wants one gumdrop. So if I just do that, what? How do you do it? Do I like drag it over? There, I'm in. Yes! So I can use the glue dispenser for 2 glue. Right here, enzymes. And look at this amazing Gummy Bee. And unlimited gumdrops, which literally just gives you free gumdrops. Open shop. Look, 250. Oh, that's real expensive. And that's real expensive too. And if you go behind here, there's a glitter. I knew there was something behind here, I just didn't know what it was. It's glitter. And you can see right in front of Gummy Bee and Gummy Bear. Star Jelly! Gummy Bear. What's sweeter than honey? Glorious gumdrops. They're just the start. A sweet and sour ooey gooey universe. Can't you see it too? What's that, Gummy Bee? They're not seeing clearly? You're always right. Goodbye, beekeeper. Ha! And then he kills me. I probably won't be using this passive right now, but look, if I just use that, didn't spend it. Okay, so let's... So also, as well, so Star Jelly first. We're going to use my Star Jelly that I just got. Well, actually, no, we're not going to use it right now because I got Robux. So, Windy Bee First Edition. Click. Buy now. Boom. Yes. I got a Windy Bee egg. Oh, it's turning night time. I don't want it to be night time. But I guess it will be. Like, that's not my thing. I was like, what? Why is there stuff like that there? It's not mine. Mine's right here. I think I'll put my Windy Bee in the middle. Right there. Right, replacing Diamond Bee. Boom! New type discovered, Windy Bee, an ethereal bee as powerful and unpredictable as the weather. Windy Bee, where are you? And it's going to be first edition. Where are you? There you are, so I've got 2 first editions now. Festive. And where is he? And over there, Windy Bee, right there. And the packs. So, if I get the beginner's bean bundle, Wait, no, first I'll get gooey goodies, because it's the good one. The one I mainly want. Gooey goodies. That gives another star jelly, 250 tickets, 1,000 gumdrops, 100 coconuts, 100 stingers, 50 oils, and some honey. So I've got 2 star jellies. I've got 70 oils. I've got 294 stingers, 150 is the max for coconuts now. 3,060 gumdrops and 354 tickets. And beginner's bean bundle. Oh, I wish I could get this. It's going to say I don't have enough, eh? Yeah, it's going to say I don't have enough. Oops. So, just going to get beginner's bean bundle. By now. Boom! A diamond egg, 100 more tickets, 25 magic beans, 25 jelly beans, 10 field dice, 5 cloud vials, and 150,000 honey. Oh, I wish I could get the Star Treat special. That's got 100 glitters and a Star Treat. But we're good enough with this. 454 tickets. I'm so close to getting in. Wait, so I've got like 500 Robux. I can get 100 tickets for 400 Robux. Well, that would also mean I'll get Puppy Bee, so I'll get every single bee in the game. Bye. Okay, this is a lot to take in. Gonna get so many bees. So I've just got Windy Bee. I'm gonna get Vicious Bee. Send. 3, 2, 1, boom! Dun 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 dun. Laser _ 38 has tamed a Vicious Bee. +1 Vicious Bee egg and minus 250 stingers. Yay! Yeah. Wait, what's that buff? White boost. Oh, because, oh, my device is 5%. It's not really loading in, but that's a white boost. And the only bee that gives that is Windy Bee. And this is another one. And it collects so much pollen. It's actually the one that collects the most pollen. Boom. So we've tested that out, and then we're going to test out Vicious. I think I'm going to put Vicious in the slot all the way at the top. Vicious Bee, yes! Dun 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 dun. Vicious Bee. And I can go and do a Gummy Bee as well. I also want to use these star jellies. I use one on this lion bee. Gifted looker bee. I don't think I have that one. I don't. Awesome. And also do one on music bee. Oh, I got stubborn again. But that means I'm going to get 14 up there instead of 12. Well, I've also got a diamond egg, which I don't think I'm going to use at the moment. I've got all these gumdrops to get Gummy Bee. This is just going crazy right now. Let's go get Gummy Bee. The Gummy Bee wants gumdrops. No. Combine 2,500 gumdrops into a Gummy Bee. Boom! Let's go and hatch Gummy Bee now. Gummy Bee. Okay, where do we put it? Where do we put... Oh, I want to be a panda bear while doing this. I think I'll do it on this shy bee. Boom! Gummy Bee! Oh, my hive looks so cool. I think nearly every single bee gift... every single event bee is linked up except for this sad little crimson bee down here. Everyone else is actually linked up. And puppy bee. So many. Boom. Puppy bee egg going right. Right where? Right here. Boom! Puppy bee. And it's not right next to Tabby bee because cats and dogs hate each other. Perfect. So I just got Windy, Vicious, Gummy, and Puppy.
Can I just come?
Oh, Nana just interrupted me. Okay, so let's test out all the different abilities. Oh, actually, firstly, I want to get this pineapple splodge, giving me pineapples, honey, and royal jellies. Oh, there's my spike ability. Boom. But it's not gonna. It just wasted it because there was no mob there, so it did nothing. Oh, and I want to test them out in different fields, in certain fields like. Oh, there's the rain cloud one. I'll just do that one just because I'll go into a random field. Wouldn't there be some to cloud in the bamboo field? And if we go to down here, clean up, I've nearly finished all the goo, so my Gummy Bee is going to help me with that, isn't he? Yes, he is. Oh, and Windy Bee. My Vicious token is just being wasted. But look, gummy goos and stuff. And more goo. And even more goo. I think I've actually got every single bee now. Oh, I haven't got every single bee, but I've got... Oh, and a white thing. White boosts. It used to just be red boost and white boost. I mean, red boost and blue boost. And now there is a white boost. Yeah, so I've got every so if you go here, you've discovered 39 types, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, rain cloud. bamboo again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Perfect. Because look, it's got every single thing. It doesn't say undiscovered on any of them. None of them say undiscovered. I love that tornado one. It collects so much. This is going to be so useful for when I'm grinding. Let's see if King Beetle's here, cause that will test out my impale ability. And it'll just be a lot stronger in general. Yes. Amazing. Ow, 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 ow. And then it keeps interrupting me. Oh. So you didn't see me be able to get all that, but I got 10 moon charms, a lot of bond, a red extract, 3 royal jellies, 5 tickets. Wow, that's how many battle points I have. And also a million honey. Oh, impale. To do nothing. I want to actually go over to Tunnel Bear. Probably can't finish him off, but I can definitely do more than I used to. Definitely. Look at my amazing live. Yes. Spectacular. Oh, and I haven't tested out my puppy bear yet. So what does everyone do? So, because everyone does different things. Like Gummy Bee does Gumdrop Barrage and Glob. Oh, yeah. Puppy Bee does Fetch and Puppy Love. Vicious Bee does Impale and Blue Bomb Plus. And Wind Bee does White Boost, Rain Cloud, and Tornado. He's the only bee that does 3 things. So that's amazing. Oops, no. Let's go. Come on, bees. Honey Gift Plus. But we don't really need that. We just need the Impale. Come on. Yes. Oh, it didn't do too much. Well, it did like a decent amount, I guess. And I'd love if it wanted to do it again. Right, if the bees come here. And then Vicious. Come on, Vicious. Yes. Come on. Come on, Vicious. Oh, Vicious didn't do it. Puppy Love. Oh, there's my Vicious ability. Come on, bees. Bring me Vicious. Yes, there. I've definitely done more than earlier. But I haven't done too much more. But I'm in the 4000s at least. Right? Yep, in the 4000s. Oh. I see my different bees. Oof. And there's my impale that I needed. Amazing though, I have finally gotten all these different types of bees. Okay guys, so let's try and finish off this cleanup one. And then we can hand it into tobacco bee, which will be nice. Got all these different things like the white boost. I'll turn it off for now because I've got my gummy bee. If he wants to give any gummy abilities. White boost again. Sprinkler down. Another sprinkler down. Beer bee morph. Where are all the goo? The main reason I came into this field. Oh yes. Let's blow it. Right, where's all my sound? What? Okay, so for some reason it doesn't want to do the sound even though it's actually full sound. No sound at all. Any gumdrops? No. Or goo, not gumdrops. I think I'll just turn it on for now. Rain cloud. And I didn't even get it in time. I'm about to finish 2 quests at the same time. And done. Ding. Except it's not doing the noise. I'll try and fix that soon. Splat. Okay, yeah, I'll try and fix that now. Wait. All these cool new abilities keep coming in. Okay, I'll try and fix this now. Oh, it's really annoying. It's not letting me have sound. Yeah, it's not working for some reason, but... Oops, wrong way. Let's go over to the Blue HQ. Up here, and right to here. So I've only done one so far. This is my second. Boom. Beautiful work. You've earned yourself a blue extract, but there's no time to rest. Blue bees are constantly striving. That's what gives us an edge over the red bees. Keep moving forward into the blue. A million honey, 10 raw jellies, and a blue extract. Brave, bold blue. It's time for another blue-themed quest. Complete it and you'll be another step closer to realising your true blue potential. I'll also reward you with a blue extract. And after every 5th, he'll give us a bonus. Bamboo. Sounds easy. Easy! 15 pollen. I mean, not 15. I wish. 15 million pollen from the bamboo field. And let's see if we can hit that sweet, sweet boost. If not, it's fine, but it would be nice to get a boost. Nope. Of course not. Wait. How many raw jellies do I have? I have enough to make a star jelly. So I'd be using 3 star jellies in this episode. So let's go. Does you? 1. Confirm. Boom. So that's now doing that. I don't think. Well, 500,000. Okay, I'll do that. Coconuts. What? I just saw that. Oh. I just want the coconuts. Yes, coconuts. I got coconuts. Coconut nut is a big nut. Okay. 3 tickets from Memory Match. 3 coconuts from Memory Match. So where are my coconuts now? 103. Oh, I wish I had 35 bees. Is that glitched? That's glitched. Shouldn't be doing that. What's happening with the coconut crab? Something weird is happening to the coconut crab. Where he only wants to show his arms. Or his claws. Why is his claws just there? I have no idea why that's happening. So, what are we gonna do now? I could... What could I do? I'd like to get another windy bee to spawn like last episode. But that's probably not going to happen, is it? Not with... I really want to finish this Meditating on Phenomenon quest. Ladybug poppers, bamboo... Wait, do I not have a quest from you? Wait, is it still on the 4-hour cooldown? Yep. Ah, why'd you summon a honeystorm? I'm gonna summon a honeystorm so it's double honeystorm right now. Extra honey. Or is it the exact same amount? Is it really the exact same amount? I thought you'd get more. Because it was a double honeystorm. Whirlpool! Tornado! Yes! And lots of goo. Okay, so... Oh! Is that... I think that's just one of my ones that, like, I can place down, but... No, I don't see a windy bee in there. No, I don't see a windy bee in there. He's still trying, though, to activate it, even though I know that it's just one of my ones. My tamed windy bee did that. Ooh, cloud. And then, of course. Yay! It summoned a cloud in the field I can't go in. Thank you so much, Windy Bee. That is supposed to be nice to me. Jellybean bugs! I love you. They're so cute. How they just hop around and shoot jelly beans out. They are so cute. So cute. Cute. Adorable. Rain cloud in the mushroom fields right over there. Right where you want to hop to. I just want to see this what's it called? This cloud that is in the coconut field. The one that I can't get to, of course. Right there. Yep. Helping out everyone except for me. And everyone else that can't get in there, which I think is literally everyone. Maybe. Yep. I'm the best one on the server. Look at my hive though. My hive is so good. Wow. Wow, wow. So, I'll see you guys soon. I'll just grind out a little. Oh, no, I want to do Blue Flower Bliss and just hand that in right now. And there's a bug in the, in the rose field. Boop. And boop. I'm so overpowered now, but I'm obviously not as overpowered as other people. Okay, let's go now. Hardly had to do anything. Oh, I just want to click that little gumdrop splodge. What you doing? I think he's stuck. Oh wait, no, he's hopping the other way now. Oh, my ball. Oh. Hello, Black Bear. Talk to Black Bear. You never let me down. Yes, I don't. I mean, no, I don't. I obviously don't. Yeah, you must be standing in a field to make a cloud. Oh, I must have accidentally pushed on my cloud vial. Yeah, and it says you must be standing in a field to make a cloud. Just like if you do that, you must be standing in a field to plant a bean. Just a million red. A million of the one that I don't like as much as the other colour. I'm a blue boy, not a red boy. And you have been tamed. You've already claimed a vicious bee. Amazing. It's wanted. I can't wait for, well, because I live in New Zealand, so I'm a day ahead of on it. So my Sunday will be their Saturday, so either my Sunday or Monday will be when the Travelling Bear Sun Bear comes out. Because he is releasing Sun Bear, he just hasn't fully done that. Because this is just the mini version of the update that's coming out. This is just like a little tester that is in the normal realm instead of a tester in the test realm. So yeah, let's go and see how my thingy's doing, my star jelly. Oh, you. Yes. These guys are a lot better than they used to be. They used to only do bits in a 4, it was like a 2x2 square. Now they do it in a, oh, this is only half of what you should get, but it's a lot bigger. If I show you. Oh, it's over here. It's all covered with you. Okay, yeah, let's go and see how Star Jelly's doing. After we kill the mantises, we need to kill the mantises first. Impale! Die, die, die. Ah, he was jumping in the air. Boop. Let's go to the blender. Yes. +1 star jelly. All the way at the bottom. And we'll just put it there. Oh, is that... What type is that? I think it's just one of my ones. Yeah. It's either one of my ones or one of the ones that just can randomly spawn. Because very rarely they can spawn. I just got a red extract from the scorpion. Yeah, I've been getting a lot more good drops for it lately. Like I've gotten micro converters. One time I got an oil from a spider and a field dice from a spider. I've gotten quite a lot of good things. Quite decent. Make honey. Where shall we put it? What's the one that I've got the most of? One. I've got 2. Yeah, but they're both gifted. And those ones are both gifted. And both my exhausted bees are gifted. I've actually got no rage bees. Yeah, but I kind of want 2 diamond. Oh, I guess I'll get rid of one of my diamond bees. Boop. Commander bee, I don't have that one. Yeah, I don't, do I? Yeah, I don't. Now, this whole line is gifted apart from this puppy bee up here. Got 66 raw jellies, a diamond egg that I cannot use. But I'll probably just keep the diamond egg instead of spending it because I can just keep the diamond egg for... Oh, there's someone better than me up here. Hello. He has that and that and that. He has all these. But look, I got a Windy Bee. Do you have a Windy Bee? I bet you don't. Don't you? I want to check now. I want to check if he has a gift. Oh, not a gift of Windy Bee, but a Windy Bee. A limited edition Windy Bee for Robux. That is... Okay, so he's right here. I think he's actually got the exact same amount of bees as I do. Right, I'll just check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, he's one higher than me. I've got 33. I think he's got 43. And he doesn't have Windy Bee yet. I'm better than him for Windy Bee. Oh, that looks creepy, honeybee. Oh, and puppy bee. Hello, hello. Okay, so I think I might end this video now. So, no, I cannot end this video on 39 million honey. It has to be 40 million honey. It has to be. And I'll just go here just because I need this for a quest. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And now just nothing. Okay, oh, you. I kind of want to actually play with my dog. The only thing is it can just keep going out of the... I got a treat from Fetch Combo. Oh, cloud in the rose field up there. See, I got a royal jelly from this guy. Not like I need it, but... And 3 pineapples. Not like I need it, but it's all... Can you kind of drop some down here? Yep, you did. Good job. Festive gift. I haven't had this one in a while. Ah, now I can just show you what I need my diamond eggs for. Well, you probably already know, but, you know, just to show you. Hopefully I don't fall and mess up and die. Die a horrible death. Boop. Boop. Ooh, I'm not gonna make it. Boop, 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 boop. Ah, my thing didn't activate. Why is my thing not activating? There. Boop. Boop. No! Ah! Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Come on. Come on. I can do this. 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 It's only 2 jumps. Come on. 3rd time's the charm. 3rd time's the moon charm. Ha ha ha. Get it? My jokes are so funny. 3rd time's the moon charm. Yes, 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 yes. I got there. Yeah, you need 5 diamond eggs for this thing. 100 glitter, which I would actually have if I got the Star Trek special. 150 of the oils and 250 extracts. And it has the passives are Bubble Bomb, which is one of the new ones, and Diamond Drain. Oh, now I'm stuck here. He fixed it, did he? Yes, yes, he fixed it. Last time I tried to get here, oh, that's dangerous, yes. Last time I tried to parachute here, not on this episode, but like another time, I parachuted and there was this little, like, oh, you need pollen to use the micro converter, good. I accidentally clipped it. There was this little tiny thing you could fall through, but now you can't. But I have to die anyways. And at least I make this epic jump. What? Yes, I didn't die. Yeah, let's go. I somehow fell through that little tiny hole. And now I'm just going to do this, climb up here. And then just jump over the top. Celebration victory dance. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe. Oh, I forgot to get 40 million honey. Who cares about that? I'm not going to stop dancing. Oh, I want that. Did I get it? I didn't get it. No. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification button. What does this work? Slashy wave? Yeah. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button as hard as you can. Also, I have a Twitter account if you want to check that out. So, goodbye.